Let's start by importing the necessary decorators from the Angular core library. We have directive, element ref, output, event emitter, and host listener. These are the building blocks of our custom directive. We define our directive with the @directive decorator, and we set the selector to click outside. This directive can now be used in the HTML template by adding click outside as an attribute to any element. Well, export this class so it can be used throughout our Angular application. We declare an output event called click outside, which is an event emitter that emits a mouse event. This event will be emitted when a click occurs outside of the element that this directive is applied to. Now we have our constructor. We're injecting the element ref into our directive, which gives us direct access to the host DOM element. The underscore prefix is a common convention indicating that the property should be considered private to the class and not meant to be accessed from outside. We're using the host listener decorator to listen for click events on the document. Once a click is detected, it triggers our onClick method, and we pass in both the mouse event and the target element of the click. Inside the onClick function, we first check if the target element is truthy. If it's not, which means if it's null or undefined, we simply return and do nothing. This is a guard clause that prevents potential errors if the event target is missing for any reason. We determine if the click was inside our directive's host element by checking if native element contains target element is true. If not, it means the click happened outside, and in such a case, we emit the click outside event passing along the original mouse event. This allows outside components to listen for and respond to this event. And with that, our click outside directive is complete. It can now be added to any component to detect and respond to click events that occur outside of its boundaries. This is particularly useful for tasks like closing dropdowns or modals when the user clicks elsewhere on the page.